Recently, I saw a video about a sea turtle rehabilitation center in Dubai, and it hurts for me to see how so many sea turtles mistook plastic for food. And by food, I mean jellyfishes. So I decided to do some research on it to help spread the awareness on reduced use of plastic. Be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Plastic is inescapable in our daily lives. You can see it almost everywhere. From plastic bags for your groceries to plastic water bottles we drink out of. Plastic can be seen as versatile, but it is very dangerous for our environment. So today I'm going to tell you about what plastic does when it ends up in the garbage can. If this trend continues, there will be more than plastic in the ocean than there are fish by 2050, says the UN. Now let's watch a short video.
Our oceans sustain life. An abundant ocean can feed 1 billion people a healthy meal every day forever. But now they are being killed by throwaway plastics. The equivalent of 1 garbage truck of plastic is dumped in the sea every minute. 17.6 billion pounds every year. Plastic is everywhere in our ocean, floating on the surface, mixing in the salt water, and sitting on the ocean bottom, miles and miles deep. And once in the ocean, it never goes away. Over hundreds of years, it breaks down into small pieces. But those pieces, even the tiny ones called microplastics, are still plastic. Sea turtles are choking on it. Scientists say that over 60% of whale and dolphin species are affected.
It was so heartbreaking seeing that so many animals died from consuming plastic. Who would have thought that one material that we barely even look at just kills all of these animals? The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that somebody else will save it. The main problem is plastic does not decompose like other natural products. So when it's thrown away, it sits around somewhere. And that area is called a landfill. But plastic is quite light, which means it can be easily taken away with the wind and into places like the ocean. That's not good. Worldwide, we produce about 260 million tons of plastic every year. Even though plastic can't be broken down, they can be broken up into teeny tiny little particles, which even the smallest creature in the ocean could have eaten. And as that food chain goes up, it is us that eventually eat the animal that consumed plastic. So in basic words, we accidentally consume plastic. Plastic is a major problem for our environment. Luckily, there are a few ways in which we can save our planet. Have you ever heard of the 3 R's? They are reduce, reuse, and recycle. A way to reduce is reduce your own plastic waste, like plastic bags or plastic cups. A way to reuse is to bring your own reusable shopping bags to the market, like a cloth bag or a tote bag. A way to recycle is recycle the plastics you use and no longer need. It is the worst of times, but it's the best of times because we still have a chance. It's necessary to promote awareness of the dangers of plastic to our environment by offering local community engagement workshops, organizing beach cleanups, and promoting plastic-free products. We can start the awareness in school itself. There are 9 different ways where we can reduce our plastic usage. We can hold an educational film screening or talk. Organize school, park, river, and beach cleans. We can stop selling plastic bottles. Encourage reusable ones instead. Encourage less plastic in packed lunches. And choose reusables for the canteen and school events. We can also request that supplier deliveries are plastic-free. Rethink catering options to eliminate single-use plastic. Ditch the laminator. Choose plastic-free displays. Share your successes to inspire other schools too.